Hi guys, this is Ahyat, Ishak, and today you're watching Ahyat Property TV, and we're gonna look into the third Tier 1 location to my definition of Tier 1 location, property investment location in Malaysia, Greater Malaysia, wonderful Malaysia. Now, we're gonna look into Penang. Now, this is gonna be a very quick review, and we're gonna try to understand how we see Penang in the macro picture, right? As you can see, the dotted line here is basically Penang in general. So Penang, there's two sides of Penang. Of course, the Penang Island and the mainland Penang. Yeah. So there's a lot of places that we can look. There's a lot of ways we can look into this, but I want to look into this based on the linkages between mainland to Penang itself. Now, of course, this is the main Penang Bridge, so that's where the main movement is. And of course, we have the second Penang Bridge from the Batu Maung side, and I believe it's right down here to Batu Kawan. So that's the second link, and of course, the third link was supposed to be somewhere on the top here. I mean, that's the plan, right? Okay. To the Batuot side, Georgetown to Batuot side. So basically, Penang, I would personally feel, and you see, you have to understand, I am not a professional land surveyor, and I'm not an expert in these localities. But of course, I've met a lot of property investors also, and this is the story that I get from them, and I hope that I can get some feedback from fellow investors in the Penang side. Basically, I see Penang Island split into two. Now, this is the story that happened in Hong Kong as well, where if you could see on the flip side, this was the Hong Kong side that was closer to Kowloon on the mainland China. And basically, that was the first part that grew, and we've got the mountainous range in this middle area where it was difficult to breach this area, right? So there was some stories about a tunnel bringing the east and the west, which would be fantastic, which would cost only, I mean, $1 billion. That was what I think. So basically, you can see here localities, right? So these are the areas. Georgetown here is where you enter the bigger part of Georgetown, of course, and then the on the east side, northeast, and of course you've got the north side, you've got Bayan Lepas side, and of course you've got the Balik Pulau side, and there's a lot of action here going on at the top here. So that's basically how you see Penang Island. So yep, and of course there's a lot of action going on here as well, on the mainland island. So that has been a video review on Ahyat Property TV. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.